Hey guys, welcome back to another project day. I know that these are few and far between. I don't know what we're gonna come up with, but we gotta do something so that we can spend more time together because the project days don't happen very often. But we are here to do a living dining room combo transformation today, and Christian's here with us today. And of course Antonio is over there. So I'm just gonna give you guys a pan of what we're starting with, and then show you guys. Y'all know how it go. We're gonna work it out and then we'll show you the finished product. All right guys, so we've already started moving things to prepare for the makeover, but this is their living and dining room combo. So they just purchased this home and they want to jazz it up a little bit, and that is exactly, of course, what we're gonna help them do today. So we're gonna start with this wall right here. We are going to do shiplap on this wall. We are using these little thin plywood strips that we purchased from Lowe's, and we just stripped them down with our table saw, and we're going to put those on this wall and create a shiplap look. Alright y'all, the shiplap is finally done on this wall. It really took us a good little minute because we had to figure out how to get around the window sill, but we figured it out because we're a team. Antonio? Yeah. Aren't we a team? Whatever. But we finally got it done, so now we're switching over to the dining room. We're gonna do some wainscoting really quick on the back dining room wall, and then we're gonna paint and we'll be done. Guys, I love this. It looks so good. So the only thing we have to do is come in and paint the bottom completely white, like a trim white. It's gonna look great. So I love it. Good morning guys, welcome to day 2 of this living room makeover. So we are here this morning. Today we're going to finish painting and then install everything. So today it should not take us quite as long. We did all the hard work yesterday. So we're about to get it cracking, and we should have a reveal a little bit later on this afternoon. Hey y'all, so we are painting the shiplap now. We're moving kind of quick because they're going to be home in about 2 hours, so we really do not have much longer. So I just want to come on here real quick and give y'all an update so y'all can see shiplap is being painted. stand there.
Okay.
Just a little circle. Stand there. Rinse, pause. All right. On the count of 3.
Okay.
I hope you guys love it. You work hard.
I know you did.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. No, Nisa, this.
Is it okay?
This is great.
This is nice.
Is it
Oh my God. Oh no, this is awesome. Like for real. Yes. Oh no, this is awesome. I mean, oh my God, look at that. Nisa,
So
this is perfect. Come on.
Thank you. Listen.
Look.